basic needs are the air, clothes and water. Air exercise, that is one we are solving now. Questions: how does air gets dirty? How does air gets dirty? When dust, smoke and other gases from the factory and by burning garbage are mixed with air, air gets dirty. Understood? I repeat, when dust, smoke and other gases from the factory and by burning garbage are mixed with the air, it gets air dirty. Understood? It means the inner air, the small particles like dust particles and smoke, that plastic burning, factory burning, garbage burning, that all are mixed, and the other gases from the factory and by burning garbages are mixed with air, that all air will mix and then the air gets dirty. So we have to not polluted the air. We should planting the more trees. Understood? Next come to the tick the sentence that are true and wrong out the wrong ones. We cannot live without air. Yes, we cannot live without air. If even a single minute the air we want. Yes or no? Without air we can't survive our life. Like us a human, like us not only human beings, all the living things need air. Like us animals and plants need air to live. Yes or no? Oxygen is the most important as it help us, because animals and plants also live. So air is made up of different gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Understood? We cannot live without air. Next come to, we breathe more slowly after exercising. No, we are not breathe not slowly, we are breathe very speedily after exercising, because we breathe more slowly after exercising, because the all our heart, our legs, our joint muscles will exercise like running, skipping, jumping and all we are making, that will all relief, yes or no? All we are doing the body massaging with doing the exercising, then we can't breathe slowly, we are breathe very speedily. For doing a exercise or doing the walking or running, we do not speak out. Understood? Because taking a more intake or in out the breathing, it will good for helping us. So the exercise is most important part of our day to day daily life in those days, because we are sitting in one places only eating the very spicy food, the all muscles, all brain will be the not active. So we have to go morning daily, day to day exercises. We are full fresh up on that those day. So we have to more and more, we breathe more and more slowly after exercising. That is wrong. That is wrong. We are breathing very speedily. Next, air is made up of many gases. Yes, I repeated once again that air is made of different gases, that is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So air is made up of different gases. Yes, the air is made up of many gases. Air is blue, air is very salty, air we can touch. No, air is not blue. We can't say air is blue. Where is a salty, we can't say. Air is very see, we can't say that, because air is we can only touch, we can't touch it also, only we can feel it. So air is blue? No. Okay. Next come to how does the air help each of these things. They shown on the balloon, wheel, jacket, ball, next frog and next whistle. This exercise, these answers I will provide on WhatsApp group. Understood? How balloon will get the air, how the air is there in on the wheel, how the clothes are dry after hanging on. So we will discuss in next classes. Understood? Please go through the lessons. Please practice more and more. Please that how much you practicing the new words, then we will come to know that. Understood? Okay, even also we'll discuss tomorrow why do drivers, mountain climbers and astronauts carry oxygen cylinders with them, and hospitals to keep oxygen cylinders for those who need help in breathing. This we'll discuss in next class. Okay, bye, have a good day.